record on this computer. Okay, perfect. Okay, so aloha mai kākou. Everyone can see the slides? Okay, aloha mai kākou. Okay, kala umi o nove maka a he po alua ke ia. It's a Tuesday. Today we're going to go over ʻŌPaʻa number 7. Again, if you're just joining us, this is our agenda for the class. These first few steps will go pretty quickly, and then when we get into the lesson, that'll probably take the bulk portion of our time. So, yeah. Before we get started, aloha mai kākou e nā haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA ʻŌLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. And ahela nani ma Hawaiʻi nei, ahela nani ma Hawaiʻi nei, nā uʻoi, nā uʻoi, nā uʻoi ke kumu. A o wau no ka hau mana.
That was a noho.
Hula noho.
Hula noho.
Okay, so like normal, please type your answers in the chat to Owai Koinoa. What is your name? Noho oi ihea, where do you live? And then our question for this week, he aha kau ʻŌLELO no ʻeau punahele. What is your favorite wise saying or ʻŌLELO no ʻeau? And if you don't know one in Hawaiian, you can just choose a quote that you like, yeah, in English or Japanese or Spanish. Okay, good. And then while that comes in, aloha mai kākou o kumukanu ola ko uinoa, noho au ma ke wala uka ma oahu. And my favorite ʻŌLELO no ʻeau is I mai kaʻi ke kalo i ka oha. Okay, which means the goodness of the taro is judged by the keiki that it produces.
Okay, my turn.
Yep.
O anui nui ko uinoa, noho au ma ke wala uka. And work hard, play harder.
Drink the hardest.
No.
Oh, shucks. Okay. Okay, no, that's a good one. I like it. So some ʻŌLELO no ʻeau we see is you reap what you sow. Like kaʻi. If you can dream, pursue it. Yep. Never give up. So keep pushing. Good. Throw them in the... Can you read this one?
Throw them in one tita bun and hanaho.
Throw them in one tita bun and hanaho. Love it. Okay, and then one more. To the stars through adversity. Oh, no. I know. Ad astra per aspar. Okay. I hope I said that right. To the stars through adversity. All right. So, yeah, you can keep sending in your answers. We'll see them come in throughout the class. I like work hard, play harder. Okay, so again, our rules. I'm going to call on a few of you to read our rules for us. Maybe I'll call on some new people. Amanda, would you mind turning on your mic and reading our first loina right here? Jimenez.
Okay.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha. Aloha ke kahi. Is that where we're at?
Yep. And then the
Love
English.
one another. We are in ohana.
Okay, so just something to remember, to love one another in this class. Yeah, we don't know each other, but we're all ohana officially. We're all cousins.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one, can we have Eula?
Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai. Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Mahalo. Aloha, Eula. Thank you. Who else is new? Oh, we have two screens. Okay. Sharon Manners.
Aloha.
Aloha.
E kulia I panu'u. Strive to be the very best you can be.
Okay, that's my second favorite ʻŌLELO no ʻeau in life. And then our third one, can we have Estrella? I hope that's correct.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you.
Aloha.
Aloha. ʻAʻA I ʻŌLELO mai hila. Dare to speak. Don't be ashamed in class.
Okay, again, we're not going to try and make anyone feel hila in this class. We're all here to support each other. So if you join us for the first time, we like to leave positive comments for everyone who speaks in the class. So mahalo to everyone who just read and our new haumana. Thank you for joining us. Okay, our oli. If we can all noho or noho pono, sitting up straight. We're gonna ask for wisdom with eho mai. Eho mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. Eho mai, eho mai, eho mai e eho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. Eho mai, eho mai, eho mai e eho mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. Eho mai, eho mai, eho mai e. Mahalo. So our kupuna here with us and bringing us knowledge for this papa. All right, so just a little quick update. Last week we had a ʻAʻA Keoli challenge on Instagram, and we just asked everyone to bring positive mana and positive vibes to our Instagram stories by posting some oli or any oli that we knew. So most people put ehomai, eihoana, and oli aloha, and then we had our Kumu Ahmed from Big Island. He did oli mahalo. So this is just cuteness overload right here.
Oh.
Yeah, Ahmed. Come on, Ahmed. He's gonna be taking over my job one day. Thank you. Okay, and then let's review. Okay. Mahalo. Okay, so let's review what we did last class, which was we learned about Nā Kahulu, and that was for ʻOpaʻa number 6. What was a kahulu again? Put you on the spot. Descriptive.
Descriptive.
A descriptive or an adjective. Okay, so our question, e hoʻopili mai, and you guys can repeat after me too. Pehea oi.
Pehea oi.
Okay, meaning how are you? Pehea is how, and oi is you, so how are you? And then our answer, you can put, your answer could be kāhulu o. So just simple like that. You have a descriptive word and then ao. So I'm gonna ask you, pehea oi.
Mai kaʻi no ao.
My kaʻi ao. Okay, good. So I am good. Here is some more examples that we can have.
Aloha mai kākou o ka hanuola koʻinoa. Hauʻoli au, I am happy. I kaikau o ke ala is strong. Hauʻoli koʻu makuahine, my mother is happy. Kolohe ke kikane, the boy is rascal. He lā ua keia, this day is a rainy day. Mahalo.
Okay, so as you can see, instead of just saying ao or I am happy, we had 3 different other piko or subjects. You can have a oʻiʻoa, e hoʻopili mai, oʻiʻoa.
Oʻiʻoa.
Which is a proper noun or a name. So that was like ikaika o ke ala. Then you can have a nonoa, e hoʻopili mai nonoa.
Nonoa.
Which is a possessive. That's like koʻu makuahine. So my mother was happy. And then lastly, you have kaikikino.
Kaikikino.
Which is a common noun, and you're gonna have to put a ka'i or the before it. So kolohe ke kikane, the boy is rascal. Okay. So
Aloha mai kākou.
all right, so we're gonna do some translation practice in the chat. But first, I'm just going to ask you all, he hea oi, and if you can write how you're feeling today in the chat. Hololio, yes. We just ate and I'm still hungry. Oyamo, no. Good job, Lehua. That's a nice way to say same as usual, same as normal. Good example. Maluhi-luhi. Oh, ka'ulani kalamai. Oh no, someone said that omai. Oh yeah, ka'ulani. Kalamai, hopefully you feel better soon. Okay, good job. Good. Some of you are adding ikeyala. That means today. That's a good way to show like specific details how you're feeling today. All right, so let's do some of these translations in the chat. Can we just turn our chat back to private so we're not cheating and sharing our answers with everyone? We're gonna type in our answers to hau'oliau ikeyala, hololio pua ikeyala, ona ko'u makua hine ikeyala, and the child is feeling smart today. Okay, we'll give you guys 1 minute to see. Oh, Leina, you're on it. But, yep. And then I'll be calling on a few of you to read your answers. If you want to volunteer, if you can put your hand up in the chat or in the reaction. Or you can just raise your hand, whatever. Number 3, yep. Number 3 is good. Ona, okay, I'll just say it. Ona is drunk. Number 3, look. Ona ko'u makua hine. Okay. All right, so that was about a minute. We'll just go through. No worries if you're not Paul yet. Okay, so number 1, since Leina Ala, since you sent them all in, can you read this Hawaiian and your translation? Just for number 1.
So hau'oliau keiala, sorry, hau'oliau I keiala. I am happy today.
Good job. Okay, let's have who else? Let's see. Hanani, can you read number 2?
ʻōloli o pua I ke iala. Pua is hungry today.
Good job. Number 3, can we have no, Malulani?
My mother is drunk today.
Yep, and can you read the Hawaiian just to say it? Oh, okay. Ona ko'u makua hine I keila. So yeah, my mother is drunk today. She's not, but you know, she usually is. Okay, and then number 4, let's have Erika.
Akamai ke keiki I ke iala. The child is feeling smart today.
Perfect. Akamai ke keiki I ke iala. Okay, mahalo to everyone who answered correctly. Let's move on to, I'm gonna add a little bit more to this, and let's learn how to add more information when you're describing how you feel. Okay, so there's 3 words we're gonna learn right now. E ho'opili mai ano, loa, and no.
No.
And you see the no has a kākou. Okay, so if you want to add ano, that's going to mean kind of. Okay, so kind of, and that's going to go before your kahulu or before your descriptive word. So if I said ano mai ka'i, that would mean that you are
Kind of good.
okay, good. So remember ano, kind of, and that goes before your kahulu. Okay, that's the only one that goes before. The next one, e hoʻopili mai, loa.
Loa.
That means very. Okay, so that's gonna go after your kahulu. I'm sure you guys all heard mai kaʻiloa before, yeah? Or maybe you heard it somewhere. So mai kaʻiloa meaning very good. Okay, where does it go?
After.
After the kahulu. Okay, and the last one, e hoʻopili mai, no.
No.
No means indeed, and that's also gonna go after the kahulu. So that an example being mai kaʻino, I am indeed good.
Okay.
Okay, so remember the word, what they mean, and then where they are placed. Okay, if you're following along with the slides at home, then you'll have this with you. All right, so let's try these translations. We have 4 sentences again. First one, you want to read it?
Ano kaumaha au I keia la.
Okay, next one, number 2, olu olu no o kainani I keia la. Number 3,
Nani loa ko'u kupuna mahine I keia la.
okay, and the teacher is kind of lazy today. Yes, I am. Okay, so let's see what you guys get. We'll give you another minute or so to send in your answers. If you can send it privately. You know, we had a comment last time we were going kind of fast, so we'll try and slow down a tad. Not too much. Good job. Okay, if you have a question, feel free to raise your hand or just turn on your mic and you can ask the question. But we also, everyone who's new, we always have time at the end for question and answers. After we let everyone go, if you can stay behind. Okay, do you know what this means? Wait, don't say it, but do you know what it means?
Yeah.
Liar. Good, getting them in. Auntie Helani, we're gonna start with you in like 20 seconds. Or sorry, cousin Helani. Okay, cousin Helani, if you could turn on your mic.
Ano kaumaha I keia la. I am kind of sad today.
Okay, perfect. Mahalo. Next, we can have cousin Dawn. I don't know if she's there. If she's there.
Olu olu no o kainani I keia la. Kainani is indeed beautiful today.
Close. Olu olu is more like
Pleasant.
pleasant.
Oh,
Yeah,
pleasant. Indeed nice today.
thank you. And I got to meet Dawn this past week. I drove out to Waiʻanae. I had kalo bombs, and then I went to drop off the prize at her house. So aloha, that was fun. Okay, number 3. Can we have Pamela?
Nani loa ko'u kupunahine I keia la. My grandmother is very beautiful today.
Perfect. Yeah. So nani can mean pretty, but we always use it. We use it for beautiful as well. Okay, and now we're gonna try a hard one. The English to Hawaiian. Anyone want to volunteer? Anyone want to try? You just raise your hand. Okay, Kelly.
Ano maloa
Yeah,
ke kumu I keia la.
good job.
Yay, Kelly.
Perfect. Okay, so those will always be there. You can always refer back to the slide, especially if you need, if you forget what ano means or where they are placed, it'll always be here in the slide deck. Okay, any questions before we move on to our lesson for today? Gotta check the other page too. If you have a question, you can leave it in the chat. Okay, perfect. Move on.
Could you pronounce The moloa. Once again, please.
Yep. Moloa.
Mahalo.
Moloa. Yep. Mahalo, Kiko. All right. So today's lesson is going to be about e hoʻopili mai, Nā Waihoʻoluʻu.
Nā Waihoʻoluʻu.
Okay. So Nā Waihoʻoluʻu are our colors, and I'm sure many of us learned about our colors in elementary school or when we were in May Day or something. But this is always a good topic to review because we always use colors in our everyday vernacular or when we speak. So it's good to know. So we're going to first learn the colors and then we're going to learn the song. Okay, so I'm going to call on your name if you can just read what the color is, and then in Hawaiian and then in English. Okay, so let's start with cousin Lorna.
Aloha kumu. Ula ula, red.
Okay, hello. Can we have who? Yula. Oh yeah.
Mele mele.
And that is?
Yellow.
Okay, good job. Next, can we have Carly?
Pony, purple.
Okay, good. Next one, can we have Haley? Try one more time. I hear something, but I don't. Your voice isn't going. But it's okay. We'll try one more. Papua, can you read this one right here? Aloha, mother.
Polu or uliuli, blue.
Okay, good. And we've been getting a lot of questions about, is it polu? Is it uliuli? What is the correct one? So polu is more just the Hawaiianized version of the word blue. So I guess the missionary term. Uliuli is more of the Hawaiian thinking of the word blue, because uliuli they used to describe the ocean. So we like to use uliuli. We try and use uliuli more. Okay, next one. Can we have Deborah?
LA, black.
Okay, mahalo. Cassie?
Akala, pink.
Good job. Cousin Kalia?
Alani, orange.
Okay, Maitai. Who did I go yet? Cousin Malulani? Auntie Malulani. Oh, sorry, Cousin Malulani. Okay, someone else? Akiko, can you do this one?
What color was it?
Right here.
I can't see.
Oh. Ke'o.
Ke'o. Ke'o. White.
Oh, cool. Okay, next, let's have Cousin Mapuana. Sorry.
Ahina, gray.
Okay, Michael.
O, green.
Good job. And Makamai. You have two again.
Maku'e. What? I cannot see that one.
Palaunu.
Palaununa.
Is it my
brown?
Screen? Is my screen cut off?
No, I just think it's just my eyes.
Yeah, Maku'e or Palaunu is brown. Hey, mahalo. So if you guys know the song, you can sing along with us from the beginning with Ula Ula. Okay, ready and go. Ula Ula me me poni Okay, Makai. So again, Maku'e is more the Hawaiian thought, and the Palaunu is just the English word, or Hawaiianized word for brown. All right, so now that we know that, Here's the example that was on our Google slide.
Aloha mai kākou kumukano wala ko'ino eia Nā Waihoʻoluʻu. Ula ula mele mele Oni uli uli ele ele Akala alani ke o Ahina hina Oma oma o Maku or whatever. Ula ula ka upa. Mele mele ka pepa. Koni ka puke. Uli uli ka kaleihu. Ele ele ka kakini. A kala ka puke. Alani ke eke. Oh, no money. Ke o ka wahi leka. Still no money. Ahina hina kale lanyard thing. What? Oma oma o ka palule mai manuhi ali'i. And maku e ki kaula.
Okay, so that's going to help us with our activity that we're going to do right now. We're going to play stop. We're going to play a little game that's going to utilize our colors. Okay, so get ready. We're going to be moving around. You're going to have to run around your house. We're going to play e ki'i ke kahimea or gimme gimme. Okay, I'm sure we all played gimme gimme before, yeah? So here are the instructions. I'm going to say e ki'i ke kahimea and then a color in Hawaiian. So if I say e ki'i ke kahimea alani, then you're going to have to go find something in your house that's alani or orange. Okay, does that make sense? I'm going to give you guys 10 seconds to look around your house. I don't know, or right around your little area. But it's fun. You guys can go run around or move around, whatever. Okay, and then no, don't break anything. LOL. Okay, so ready? Makoko?
Hi.
E ki'i ke kahimea ula ula. Oh, you did the
Wow.
Yay. Oh, tea kettle. My ka'i. Okay, now with that ula ula, does anyone want to give us the KΑHULU PEPEKE with your color, ka or ke, and then the item in Hawaiian? If you do, you can raise your hand. Oh, I had some raise. Is that you, Auntie Kalia? Yep.
Hi. Ula ula iko puke.
Perfect. Ula ula kapuke. Yep. Okay, next one. E ki'i ke kahimea ele ele.
Nani.
Hi everyone, we're playing a game. Ki'i ke kahimea. So grab something that's black. Okay, anyone want to try this one? We have a lot of phones. You can also just say ele ele ka and then the English word if you don't know the Hawaiian. Erika, yep. And then mahe after.
Ele ele ka pena miki au.
Perfect. The nail polish is black. And then,
I got all the colors.
All the colors. Oh, don't cheat then. Don't just use those nail polish for all your colors. Okay, and then mahe, you want to try?
Ele ele ke kelepona.
Make ka'i. This phone. And ka bag.
Ele ele ka lauhala.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, and then let's try another one. Let's do a couple more. E ki'i ke kahimea mele mele. That's a hard one. Oh, there, right, your shirt. Oh, look, the Rubik's Cube. That's smart. Use the Rubik's Cube. Just change the sides. Oh, wow, you guys all get yellow. Okay, who wants to try this one with mele mele? Genesis? Would you like to try? Sorry.
You're on your mic.
I think your mic. Oh, is it not working? Okay. Maybe someone else. I think, or cousin Lorna.
Mele mele or mai'a. Mai'a. Yeah.
You hear you're in Hilo with all the 50 frogs in your background. Very loud. Okay. Let's try another one. E ki'i ke kahi mea uli uli. E ki'i ke kahi mea uli uli. Tammy, you get uli uli on too. Yeah, you guys get them. Oh, see, you're gonna make having fun like this, yeah? No one's really running around though. I wanted everyone to run around and break everything in your house. But... Okay, Tammy, you wanna try? And then Sky.
Uli uli kapalule.
Perfect. Okay, Sky.
Uli uli kapalule.
Cheater. Solana, you want to try?
Uli uli nakama.
Perfect. Mahalo. Okay, again, I prefer uli uli, but if you want to use polu, that's totally fine. Okay, let's try eki iki kahimea maku'e.
Oh, here.
Where maku'e? Where? Our skin color.
Oh.
Where?
Hamburger patties.
That's not hamburger patties. That's buttons.
Oh.
Okay. Eula, you want to try? Oh, sorry, Instagram. No more battery. Eula, you want to try?
It's okay. She can just say buttons.
You can just say buttons if you don't know the Hawaiian word. Okay, no need. We didn't get to go yet. I'm going to call on everyone tonight. Pamela, you want to try?
Maku'e keia cookie. I don't know how.
That's how you say it. It's K-U-K-I, cookie in Hawaiian.
K-U-O-K-I?
Yeah, cookie. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Aloha Lani, can you try?
Maku'e ka'eke.
Okay, good job. Perfect. And then ours is maku'e ka'ili. Our skin is brown. Okay, and our last one. This is a little bit harder. E ki'i ke kahi mea ele a ke'o ke'o. Ele a ke'o ke'o. Atimile lani. Oh yeah, look, atimile lani. I love it. Okay, good job. Good job, Carly. That's a good example.
Good job, Eula.
Good job, Eula. Okay, so let's ask Auntie Mililani. Can you read yours, or can you say yours?
Hi, mahalo. Ele, keo, ko'u, lauoho.
Good. Okay, so her hair is black and white. Yours too, almost.
No.
All right. Next, let's get one more. Where did it go? Sorry. Solana, you want to try?
I don't know how to say jacket.
La keke.
Okay. Is it L-E-L-O la keke?
Kala keke. Yeah, the jacket is black and white.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, I think that's it. You want to do one more?
Yeah.
Okay, one more. She wants to do one more. E ki'i ke kahi mea a kala. Yula, your head. Look, Yula, look on your head. Perfect. Good job, guys. We're gonna call on Ka'ulani. That is
Kumu, how do you say binder?
Puke Lina Kolu.
Puke lina kolu. Yeah. Akala ko'u puke lina kolu.
Perfect. And then Raven.
I'm not sure if this is the right word, but akala ka penikala kue maka.
Is that eyebrow pencil?
Yes.
Perfect. Wow, good job. Okay. So yeah, a little bit of fun games with this. Thank you. Okay, next. Let's move on to actually building our sentences. So our first question, e ho'opiri mai, he aha kau, Waihoʻoluʻu, punahele.
Punahele.
Okay, if everyone can repeat after me, Waihoʻoluʻu.
Waihoʻoluʻu.
I know this is kind of a tongue twister, or some people get stumbled with this word. So just keep practicing that. He aha kau Waihoʻoluʻu punahele, and that means?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color? Okay, so to answer, you're going to use our pepeke ʻAʻo, which is like is sentence. So o, then you're going to choose ka or ke, depending on what the word starts with. So if my color is uli, I'm going to start it with a ke, or sorry, a ka. O ka, then your color, ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. Okay, so o ka uli, ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. My favorite color is blue. Okay, so before we practice saying it, can you guys type your answer to he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele in the chat? I think the only word that's going to use a K is keʻo. That's the only one that starts with KL. Everything else starts with okina or another letter. Okay, good. I'll probably be calling on some of you who just sent them in. Student Cousin Kapi, he aha kau waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
O alani ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Okay, you're wearing alani too. All right. Seeing them come in, I'm gonna call on a few of you. Estrella, would you like to try?
Sure, I was just typing.
Oh,
O ma'o ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Perfect. Okay. Helani or Yoon. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
You can see.
Yeah, I can see. Oh, what? Kalamai.
No.
Kaponi ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Kaponi ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. Good job, Auntie. And then Akiko.
O ka uli ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Okay, mine's too. Okay, so that's your favorite color. Keep that in mind. We're going to be coming back to that when we go into our breakout rooms. Okay, next one. Oh, wrong screen. We'll just do a few examples. Maybe just choose one or two of these examples on the page, and then you can write it in your translation. Try one English and one Hawaiian. See what you guys get. You can pretty much use the English to help you with the Hawaiian, whatever, vice versa. Yeah, I know you guys liked the practice that we had last time, so yep. Good. And then I'm gonna call on maybe Lehua Himura.
Hi. Ew.
Can you translate this one right here? Or can you read the Hawaiian and then translate it?
O ka polu ka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Perfect. You remember?
Blue,
Yep.
blue is my favorite color.
Perfect. Good job. Okay, and Kehao, could you try any of these sentences right here? Pickford.
Okay. Let's see. Oka oma oka'u waihoʻoluʻu punahele. And that one is green is my favorite color.
Good job. Okay, thank you. So yeah, that's how you'd say your favorite color. Moving on, we're going to talk about our lauoho. Lauoho.
Lauoho.
So that is your hair. Ko lauoho. Ko lauoho. Is that too long? Okay. Heaha kawaihoʻoluʻu.
Heaha kawaihoʻoluʻu.
O ko lauoho.
O ko lauoho.
So what is the color of your hair? Okay, so this one's easy because all it's going to have is 3 words in it. Unless you're like Auntie Malulani and you have black and white hair. But if you just have one color hair, then this will be easy. So you're going to say, color, ko'u lauoho, my hair is color. For me, ʻELELO ko'u lauoho, my hair is black.
So, maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Good. My hair is?
My hair is brown.
Okay, good. If some of you have blonde hair, I know there's a specific term for blonde, which is hakeakea, I believe. Hakeakea. I can type that in the chat. Does anyone have blonde hair? I don't even know. Oh, Kabag has blonde hair. So you could say mele mele for yellow, or you can just say hakeakea. Okay, so I'm gonna call on a few of you to say your answer. Maybe Cassie or Casey? Cassie? Heaha kawaihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho.
Maku'e ko'u lauoho.
Mahalo. And then can you ask the question, Cassie, for Auntie April?
Heaha kawaihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho. Anike April.
Maku'e ame ha'a ke'akea ko lauoho.
Okay, mahalo. Okay, and then, sorry, cousin April, can you ask for Lindy?
Lindy, heaha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho.
Pokole ʻulaʻula ko'u lauoho.
Perfect. Okay, so she added pokole, which means short, and then ula ula, which is red.
Nice.
Okay, and then Lindy, would you mind asking for Amanda?
Heaha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho.
You saw that, Amanda?
Okay. How do we say blonde again?
Oh, hakeakea.
Okay. Hakeakea. How do you say wannabe blonde?
Oh.
Blonde. Okay. Hakeakea ko'u lauoho.
There you go. I was gonna say mucket or wannabe blonde is like lesson 40. Sorry, we're only on lesson 7. And then yeah. Okay, so we got hair. Then we're gonna move to our eyes. So ihopini mai ko mau maka.
Ko mau maka.
Heaha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Heaha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Okay, so ko means your again. Mau, we use mau to show plural since you have 2 eyes. Unless you only have 1. I mean, I don't know, maybe you have a fake eye, whatever. So heaha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka. What is the color of your eyes? And again, simple, just color, ko'u mau maka. So for me, ʻELELO ko'u mau maka. If I wanted to go deeper, I can go ʻELELO keʻo ko'u mau maka. Okay, you want to try?
Maku'e ko'u mau maka.
Good question, Haley. Okay, so na is gonna be just like when you have the. Okay, so Nā maka, you can talk about the eyes. But when you have words like ko and ko'u and keia, that's when you're going to use mau to show your plural. Okay, so again, you use na for just when you want to say the eyes are brown, and you're going to use mau when you have other words like ko, keia, kela. It's going to take some time for practice, but yeah, that's just like a little explanation.
So all body parts are ko'u?
All body parts are ko'u, yes, because you're born with all your body parts. You cannot choose your body parts. Even if you get plastic surgery, sorry, it's still ko'u. Okay, but that again, that's lesson 30. So you're jumping ahead, Mary. Okay, so I'm gonna ask Kelly, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou mau maka?
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Okay,
And
then
Remy
yeah,
as well.
yeah. Oh, him too. It's makue.
Yeah. So Remy, makue ko maka mau maka.
There you go. Can you ask for cousin Zena?
O Zena, he aha ke ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko'u mau maka.
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Yeah, mahalo, Zena. Can you ask for Haley? You want to try? See if your mic is working now.
Aloha Haley, he haka waihoʻoluʻu o ka mau maka.
No. Okay, never mind. You can just type them in. Zena, you can ask for Eula. Sorry, Eula, we're just calling on you because you're so cute.
Aloha Eula, he haka waihoʻoluʻu o ka mau maka.
You want to turn on your mic, Eula?
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Mahalo, Eula. Good job. Okay, and then we're going to ask Sharon. He haka waihoʻoluʻu o kou mau maka?
Makue ko'u mau maka.
Okay, mahalo. Okay, so easy. These maka and your lauoho, those are two very easy ones. Hazel. You're giving me hard questions tonight, Haley. I don't know. I'll look it up. Oh, Hazela. There you go. It's Hazela. I like it. I'll find it one after this. Okay. We're gonna move on. Let's just do 2 examples again. Just to practice, I joke. No more for Hazel. Okay. Hazel's what? Green?
Yeah.
Is it? Green brown, yeah. We can do Hakela. I don't know. That might be it. Hakela. Okay. Good, good, good. Yeah, these are just easy examples. Brown. No exact English. Oh, that might have brown eyes. No.
Thank you, Nana Allah.
Thank you, Lena Allah. Thank you, assistant. Akena. Is that from Eula? Is that Hazel Eula? Oh, thank you, Eula. Akena.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Okay, perfect. Let me just get a call on a few of you. Let's have who didn't go for a long time? Malulani, you wanna try?
The ʻELE'ELE ko lauoho.
Yeah.
My hair is black.
Good job. And then let's have Solana, whichever one you want, besides the first one.
To translate it into Hawaiian.
Yep, whichever, or you can do the Hawaiian into English.
Okay. Let's. O ma'o ko'u mau maka.
Perfect. My eyes are green. Good. Let's get one more from Makamai. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're picking up your baby. Never mind. I'll switch in someone else. Who? Kaulana. Yeah, Kaulana.
Hi. Maku e ku lauoho. My hair is brown.
Perfect. Okay. Good. Any questions with hair and eyes before we move on? Easy, yeah? I mean, pretty easy. Okay. I think we're going to go past 7:30. So if you need to leave at 7:30, you can. We'll see you next time. If not, you can stay and then we'll just keep going. Okay. But before anyone has to go, just one more time, that's the link for our next Google class if you want to sign up already. Okay. Last one, I think we're just going to go over our clothing terms, and I'll just give it to you so that we can move on to our breakout rooms. So the first one, e ho'opiri mai kākini.
Kākini.
That's your socks. Mu'u
Mu'u
is a dress. Pālule is your shirts. Lole ʻAʻA is like a bathing suit or any swimwear. Then you have your kāmaʻa, which is your shoes. Lole vavai, which is any your pants or your shorts. Then you have a hila lauli'i or hila auli'i, kalame, which is your high heels, and then a papale. Okay, but specifically we're going to call this a papale lauhala hat. But if you just want to just say a hat, that's just papale. Okay.
Okay.
So let's move on to wait, what? Okay. So we're going to talk about he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou pālule. What is the color of your shirt? Okay. You want to try? He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou pālule.
Alani ko'u palule.
Okay. Try give me white and orange.
Alani ame.
Wait.
Alani ke'o ko'u palule.
Perfect. Okay. Mine's is oma o ko'u not lauoho palule. Okay. If you guys can type your answer in the chat. Huiho, Haley. Come on. Jeez. Went by fast. Charcoal. Y'all are throwing me for a loop tonight.
As Eula.
Eula, do you know Eula? Because I don't. Charcoal. It says la nahu. I know that's the word of the actual charcoal, the coal. So la nahu, you could use that. La nahu. Okay, we're gonna call on a few of you. Carly, can you answer? He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou pālule.
Uli ke'o ko'u pālule.
Okay, can you keep on, and then we'll go to Tammy.
Tammy, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou pālule.
Uli ko'u pālule.
Okay, and Tammy, can you ask for Akiko?
Akiko, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou pālule.
Hina kou pālule.
Wow, the ʻAʻA i ka ʻŌLELO.
Oh, nice.
Rocking them in Japan. Mahalo. Okay, and then Akiko, can you ask Don?
He aha. Where was it? He aha kau no kau. What's the question?
Right,
He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kou pālule.
Poni ko palule.
Okay, mahalo.
Ko'u palule.
Ko'u palule. Yeah, clothing too is gonna be ko'u. All right, we're gonna skip this one. You know what? Okay, I want to do this one though. So we're gonna talk about different characters. So if I asked you, instead of putting your objects like your hair or your shirt, I'm going to put in a name now. Okay, so my question is going to be, He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Stitch. What is the color of Stitch? Okay, so that one's pretty easy because you can go color, then okina o, and then the name of the person of the character. Okay, so he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Stitch.
Oma o Stitch.
No, the answer is right here.
Oh, Holu. Huh? Oh, Stitch. Okay, I thought you said Shrek.
What?
Holu o Stitch.
Holu o Stitch. Okay, so we're gonna do another activity using pictures. So I'm gonna ask you what the character's color is, and you're just going to type in your answer in the chat. Remember, if you can put it in private, so you cannot cheat. Okay. Okay, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Shrek. There's Shrek. Good. Okay, easy. This is probably easier than when you have koʻu lauoho. Good. Some people are just saying oma'o, and that's totally fine. Some people are saying the whole sentence, adding in the name too. Okay. Cousin Mapuana, can you give us he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Shrek?
Ai, o ma'o o Shrek.
Okay, my ka'i. We're gonna go to the next one. Makamai, maybe you can answer this one. If you want to type first, you can, then afterwards. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Shrek. Sorry, one more time. Mele o Piki. Okay, let's try this one. I want to see if you can do 3 colors. Try and give me the 3 colors that you see. 3 colors that you see. Aloha, Omi. Thank you for joining us. We're still going, so we still get some time. Good, you guys. Okay. Yes. Kavik, can you just turn on your mic and give us your answer?
Alani keʻoʻa ʻELELO o Nimo.
Good job. Alani keʻoʻa ʻELELO o Nimo. Good. Okay, we have 2 more. He aha Nā Waihoʻoluʻu. Oh no. Let's just do ka. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kona muʻumuʻu. It's a little bit harder. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kona muʻumuʻu. Use the question to help you with your answer. Good job, Mahe. Good job, Lena Ala. Lena Ala, good. That's, you used a longer way to get it, but that's perfect. Good, Auntie Helani. Okay, Estrella, can we go back to you? So you don't need the O. You can take out the O because it's not a name.
Okay. So poni kona mu'umu'u.
Perfect. And then the English would be?
Her dress is purple.
Yep, good job. And I think we have one more. He aha Nā Waihoʻoluʻu o ka puʻaʻa. So this one has 3 colors too. Let's see if you guys can get them right. I'm not worried, you guys get them. So remember, you don't need the O because it's not a name. It's just the object. So you can just say color, and then this ending part right here.
Color, 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 and ending.
Color, color, and color.
Okay.
Then this.
Sorry.
No, you're okay. Good, Erika. Instead of using the, you put that. Okay, choose. Oh, let's have Sky. Can you read yours?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
No.
Keʻo ʻELELO ʻAʻalani o puʻa.
Good job. Or sorry. So puʻa is not. Oh, puʻa
Oh,
is.
puʻa. My bad.
No, you're good. You're good. Because
I
puʻa.
thought it was puʻa from Moana.
Yeah, it is, but you use the name, but that's fine. And you could also say akala ʻELELO a keʻokeʻo ka puʻa. Same thing though. Okay, perfect. I think we're done with that. Okay, so we're gonna break out into breakout rooms real fast, and then maybe about 5 minutes because these questions aren't too bad. I'm gonna put the questions in the chat, and then what we're gonna have is we're gonna ask each other the questions and then say our answers. Okay, so here are the questions. If you guys want to copy them, hikino, maybe copy them now or screenshot them because I think you lose them after you go into your next room. Yeah. Screenshot, you just got a screenshot. Sorry, I don't know. Okay, so we'll break out into 10 rooms. Again, you're facilitating yourself and we'll come in and visit a few of you. Probably not all of you, but yeah, maybe about 5 more minutes for this. And then maybe when you go in your breakout room, you can turn on your cameras for those of you who don't have it on. Aloha, Omi. You can hear us. Aloha, Omi. Sometimes if your earphones are in, it might not work. Cousin Kehal, you got the invitation.
Oh, yeah, I need to join again.
Okay, I'll put you in another room.
Sorry.
Oh, you're good. I'll move to, there you go. Try to see if it should come through now. Okay. Aloha, Omi. Hi, you can hear me. I know, technical difficulties, it's okay. Oh, there you go. It says it's connecting. There, try talk. Oh,
Okay, put back on the mic. There, now. Talk.
try talk. Oh, I don't know.
That's okay.
That's okay. No, you're good. If you can join the room, the breakout room, I think you got invited to go to a breakout room. Try take your earphones out. Try unplug. Try unplug. Got your phone. Okay. From the computer.
No.
Try talk. No, still no. Okay, we'll fix it by next class.
Volume.
You might have to restart.
Oh, somebody help me.
There. We can hear you. There. We can hear you. Yeah.
Should I just go with this? Let's just go back.
Yeah, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Aloha.
I think you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, aloha. How are you? Oh, maybe she can hear. Hello?
Speakers headphones. Yeah.
Hello? Aloha. Hey, we gotta fix. So I'm gonna invite you to our breakout room. If you can go join the room. Where are you now? For me, I'm gonna move to 9. Okay, you should be getting an invitation on the screen. We'll be right back.
Lole vavai.
Uli uli. Ko lole vavai. Yeah. Aloha. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ko lole wawai.
O mau ko lole vavai.
Yeah. Aloha, you guys, Paul.
Kumu ninau au. Heaka hua ʻŌLELO strawberry.
ʻōhelo papa.
ʻŌLELO papa.
ʻŌLELO papa.
Yeah. Good.
Mahalo.
Maybe about 2 more minutes. We had some technical difficulties, so.
Hey, Holly? That's weird.
Hi.
Like your closet? Or is it just? I think it's supposed to be Holly. Because in the end, he just writes Ko'u Holly.
Yeah, it's supposed to be Hale. Sorry, not.
Oh, okay.
Not your
Mahalo
closet.
kumu.
My bad.
Is Lole Hale closet though?
It would be Vaihona Lole, which is like a cabinet of clothes.
Yeah.
Vaihona Lole?
Huh? I wrote them wrong. It was a mistake. Jesus.
Kumu, how say Caesar?
Upa. Upa.
Oko upa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Upa.
Good. You guys can practice besides whatever's on the screen. You guys are,
Okay.
1 more minute.
I bet I can hear you, but I can't see anything. It's in a Xbox something screen, and I don't even have Xbox. I don't know.
Lulani, you want to try?
Continue without me. I'll listen.
ʻAʻa. What, me asking questions?
Aye. Nani now.
Okay. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o kāu lauoho.
Okay, how you want
Okay.
to? Would you?
Can.
Okay.
Can. Mahalo. Sorry. E kala mai. Lauoho. Ke o ko'u lauoho.
Perfect.
Okay. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu
Maku e ko'u mau maka.
Thank you.
Lena Aloha. I forgot how to say New York.
New York.
New York. That's cool.
Yeah.
Aloha.
Oh wait.
Kumu.
Kumu, we had a question. Oh yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Zulu. Go ahead, Dina.
He aha ka lole hale.
Oh, it's supposed to be Hale. I just typed it wrong. Kalamai.
Oh, okay.
So, what is the color of your house? My bad.
Okay.
Unless you have unless you have like your own house for your clothes. I don't know.
Well, we thought it was closet, so we named our closet.
Oh, that's
Clothes, house for the clothes. So
yeah, same thing. You guys almost found.
Yep.
Okay.
How? You're done.
Okay, perfect. I think I'm gonna invite everyone back. Okay. See you guys back in the room.
Hello, Mike.
Thank you, Kay.
I think we're back, or
I'm just gonna do this.
ʻELELO ko'u lauoho.
Oh, mahalo, Kavik.
Where did everybody else go?
We're all in the main room, Kavik.
I only see like, oh no, yeah, I get 38 people in here.
Oh, okay.
I can try to do it again.
You have to expand the gallery.
Is that on? Or did it turn
Oh yeah, no.
Okay, so hopefully that went well. Before we finish up, we wrap up, can we just get everyone shakaing? I'm gonna take a picture, a class picture. Ready? Shaka. Okay.
Nice.
Good job. All right, so where's the screen?
I'm gonna explain the Lola Hale.
Oh yeah, Lole Hale was wrong. Sorry. If you were like wondering, is it a closet? No, it was just supposed to be Hale. That's what you get when you copy paste and you don't check. All right, so any brave volunteers? Maybe 2 volunteers to say your answers. I'll say the question.
Get down, get down.
Okay, hold on. Oh, Sudhika and Captain is gonna ask the question. Right here. Yeah.
Kākou Waihoʻoluʻu punahele. Kaulana.
Ula ka Waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Okay.
Mahalo.
The next one.
He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho maka mai.
No, they're asking all the questions to one person.
Oh, okay, sorry. Kaulana, kalamai. He aha ka
attention.
He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho kaulana.
Ele koʻu lauoho.
He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka kaulana.
Maku e koʻu mau maka.
Oh, mahalo. He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko palule kaulana.
Ula koʻu palule.
Mahalo. He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko lole hale.
No, just hale.
Oh, ko hale kaulana.
Uli koʻu hale.
Oh, mahalo kaulana.
Okay, anyone else? I don't see no hands. Carly. Okay, I'll ask you, Carly. He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
O ka mele ka'u Waihoʻoluʻu punahele.
Okay, he aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko lauoho.
LELO ko'u lauoho.
He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko mau maka.
Ma kuʻi ko'u mau maka.
He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko palule.
Hina ko'u palule.
And he aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o ko hale.
Ke'o ko'u hale.
Okay, I want to ask you one more. He aha ka Waihoʻoluʻu o kau ʻilio.
Mele ku'u ʻilio.
Perfect. Ku'u is like beloved. Okay, good job.
Mahalo.
Okay. Mahalo.
Mahalo.
I think that wraps up class. Okay, so we just have a few mahalos. Here's everyone that got their prizes last week. Thank you to the Tiralani, Iolani Shankly for donating the prizes. We had some puke and some pins. So we have Erika, Tiffany, Don, and Malie. They got prizes all over the island. Mahalo, good job. This week's prizes were donated by Lena Ala. Thank you, Lena Ala.
Mahalo.
And she gave us virtual gift cards to the pop-up makeke, which is put on by CNHA, Council for Native Hawaiian Advancements. So we have $25 gift cards that we're gonna give one to Carly, yep, and then one to Kaulana, okay, for doing your questions. So, and then Kaulana, it's a late birthday present from last class. Okay.
Mahalo.
And then the other 2 will email you, okay? But the good thing about this is that there's gonna go on all the way through Christmas or through the holidays, and then they have free shipping wherever you live. So for those in Japan, those in Mexico, if you guys want to order, they're shipped for free. Thank you, Lena Ala.
Thank you.
I already ordered it.
Oh, you ordered already?
Yes.
All the way in Japan, yeah? Thank you. Okay, and then our last thing, next class will be Tuesday, November 17th. We'll try and stick with Tuesdays from now on. Keep them going. If you have any questions, you guys can stay behind, and we'll have some time to wala'au or just, yeah. Last week we had like 20 minutes extra talking whatever, just choke questions. But that's good. We're here, so might as well. But other than that, okay, have a good one. We'll see you guys next time. Sign up for next class.
Mahalo, ahuiho.
Ahuiho.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Mahalo.
Ahuiho.
Mahalo.
Happy Veterans Day.
Veterans Day.
Enjoy.
Oh,
look at
the
Mahalo nui loa. Ahuiho.
Thanks for joining. Okay. Any questions? Hi, guys. We can do some more practice. Omi, you figured them out? Your mic. Okay, good.
I did. I had to help my my kids had to help me.
Okay.
A little slow over here, but thank you. I appreciate the opportunity.
Thanks for joining us. And then in the chat, you can see sign up for next week's class.
Yes, I'm gonna do that. Thank you. And now, did I come in too late? It's 9:30 here.
Oh, okay, yeah. So we started at like 6:30 Hawaii time. But
okay,
where are you? Are you in California?
California.
Okay, so yeah, I think we're 2 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you know,
daylight savings time.
Savings time.
Okay. Well, thank you. Anyway, I'll be early next time.
And it's recorded, so we're putting that up on Google Classroom too. So
good.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mahalo.
You guys want to do some practice?
Can I ask an unrelated question?
Yeah.
I just wanted to kind of confirm for just vehicles in general, like modes of transportation, would that just be nā kāʻa?
Yeah, that can be nā kāʻa. What is your sentence? Do you have an example sentence or?
So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make sort of like an interactive children's busy book for my nieces.
Okay.
So I was gonna do like the trains, like kind of like how you had on the slide for you know, the lesson, yeah. Something like that, but you know, with fire trucks, planes, boats, etc., etc.
Yeah, automobiles would be nā kāʻa, and that could go for airplanes or whatever. And then if you wanted to do like my car is red, ula ula ko'u ka'a.
Okay. Perfect.
My car is red, ula ula ko'u mau ka'a.
Okay. Thanks.
Carly, you had one?
Yeah, can you just say I think it's purse on the mea ho onani nani.
Eke paisi. Eke paisi.
Paisi? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's no S in the Hawaiian language, but we just borrowed it because that's
okay.
Purse, yeah. So
you just throw them in there every now and then.
Yeah.
And then in I think it was the Halloween one. Is it the wizard, the one that has the S in it?
Hesse, yeah. That's
Hesse?
Yeah, mostly witch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And you got your gift card, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Nana. Okay. Any other questions? Maybe we'll do some practice. Maybe for the next 7 minutes, and then we're gonna do one more meeting after. So I'm just gonna ask a few of you things that aren't a part of what we just learned. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ke kelepona. Okay, think about it. Auntie Mapuana, yeah, you want to answer?
Keʻo ke kelepona. Ahina ai ole keʻo.
Ahina hina, yeah. It's actually blue, but I guess it looks good.
Hello. Kelepona.
Okay. He aha, Auntie April, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ka pākeke. He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu or o ka pākeke. Right here. You can see it looks kind of red, but it's not. This is my honey thing for the Pooh Bear costume.
E kala mai. Can't see the picture.
You kind of see our face, or
No. Oh wait, let me see now. Sorry, it disappeared. Oh, I don't know what color. Okay. Ele.
brown. Yeah, ele.
Ele. Ko
Pakeke.
Pakeke.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Lindy, you want to try this one? He aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o papepa. I'm gonna do the makeup thing, yeah.
Sorry. Okay. Ko'u pepa.
Good. Okay, Carly, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ka pāpale.
Ma kuʻe ko ka pāpale.
Good. You could just do both, one or the other. Ko or ka.
Okay.
Ko or and then ka is the.
Okay.
Kapua he aha nā waihoʻoluʻu o ke kanakē.
Uli, ula, alani.
Yeah.
Kena.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Kay, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o ka pahu.
What is kapahu?
A box.
A box. Ula. Ke'o. Kou kapake.
Pahu.
Kou pahu.
Pahu, yeah. So you know how it means drum? It also means box. Yeah.
Mahalo.
And then Leina ala, he aha ka waihoʻoluʻu o Molokaʻi. The island color. Mary, you know.
Not off the top of my head. Don't put me on the spot like that.
Oh my God.
I'm looking up. Sorry. Okay, Molokaʻi you said, right?
Yeah.
All right, you had to choose the island that I. Okay, Oma'o ka waihoʻoluʻu o Molokaʻi.
All right. You have any other questions before we finish up? Yeah, good to see you guys. See you guys next week. Thank you. Lindy, I know you might. Did you need help with whatever? Ooh, honey.
Keala ka meli o ohia lehua o popo makeke.
Papa makeke.
Ma Hawaii.
So they ship to Japan too?
Yeah.
Thank
Mahalo.
You. Mahalo. And Kapua, we can stay on after. But Lindy, did you need help with your computer or?
I'm trying to get it piece by piece, but I am going to send you an email. I'd like you to maybe send me the first unit so I can go back and catch up.
Okay.
One at a time.
Yeah, they're all in the Google Classroom already. You just gotta go.
I have not seen the Google Classroom, so I don't know. I only get the email from you, and then go in.
Oh, okay.
So I have no. Okay.
If you give me your email, and then I'll give you the registration. I'll send you the registration link.
Can I talk to Lindy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I found out that my Fire Stick TV. Do you have a Facebook account?
I have Facebook. Yes.
If you have a Fire Stick TV or Google Chromecast, you can watch. No. Okay, but you can watch through Facebook on TV their former lessons.
Yeah. So we put all of the lessons on YouTube and then on our Instagram and also on the Google Classroom. But I'll add you to the Google Classroom if you send me your email or just tell me right now.
LD, my initials, LD.
LD.
Got, G-O-T, the word.
Okay.
Paint, P-A-I-N-T, @gmail.com.
Perfect. So I'll send that to you right after I out this class.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Thank you.
Thank you. Great class. Thank you.
Okay, I'll see you guys.
Everyone have a good week.
Waihoʻoluʻu.
Aloha nui.
Aloha nui. Kapua, I'm gonna turn it off and then I'll add it on again. Okay. So just turn to that same link. Bye.